This is not a drill. We were actively on Iman Gadzhi's page and decided to refresh him to make sure that he's still consistent with making videos. If you're not familiar with him, we've made a few videos specifically talking about how he's all fluff and no value in his previous make money challenges, where he essentially repackages the same thing and tries to get you to fork over your money. But he's deciding to do it again. Right here you see the best AI business to start in 2026 live day one. And I plan on, doing a live stream while he's going to do his live stream, just to see if we can, get any value out of it. And I think I already know exactly what he's going to be talking about in this challenge. See, in his last video, this one's titled "The Laziest One-Person Business Model: $100 a Day Plus." He talked about something specific, which is like AI shadow operators or something like that. Now, specifically at the 25-minute mark, which is crazy that you have a video that's 35 minutes, but you don't actually get to the point until 25 minutes in.
Business models come and go. I've tested most.
See, one of also the craziest things is he's turned to this new format where he's essentially just reading off a PowerPoint script. Like that's all he's doing. And here, I'm in the way right now. But if you see right here at the bottom, let's see, it says this is slide number 110. So all they did was print out some PowerPoint slides for him, and he's just covering. I'm not gonna lie, I hate this new format that he's rolling with. But let's see what he has for this upcoming challenge.
So them myself, and that's why I know what they actually require to be successful. Now, there is one business model for 2026 that has always been extremely profitable, but until recently, due to the rise of AI.
Why is it always something AI? Why does it always have to be AI related?
In good conscience, I couldn't consider it lazy. In fact, I was actually one of the earlier.
And again, once you guys pick it up that he does this, it makes me so upset. He's literally even tracing it over as if you guys don't know how to read.
Doctors of this business model without even realizing it at the time. And that model is AI shadow operating.
Now, one thing specifically when it comes to Iman Gadzhi, give him all the props, right? His personal branding is 10 out of 10. Right? He has all of the quality, all of the understandings of what his audience wants, but I feel like he's not completely honest with his audience on how he markets and who he's truly marketing towards. If you don't know, a majority of his audience is, it just goes off of the perception of young, skewed, like teenagers who essentially aren't making any money. But one thing that you don't know is that or you might know, he's come from social media marketing agencies. And it seems like that's what this new form of AI shadow operations is going to be, which is no different from just using AI to outsource, outreach, and hit up other content creators to essentially outsource like social media marketing agency, just extra services. And
most of them
the same thing.
Already have this method down to science, but the micro creators.
Yeah. So specifically, as a micro creator, right? I think this is like so perfect because as a micro creator, I get all of these emails of just like spam, like I can help you out, do this, do that. They all use like Loom AI to generate the same thing. And you can tell when your name's getting written out. I'm not going to, put them any of them on blast and show you their emails, but they all say the same thing where, hey, I can help you make $10,000 a month by doing a course for you. And if you want, you can do this and come over to WAP or I can make a school for you. And it just is sort of a disingenuous point of saying that everyone can make money doing this. And that's not the case, but he's likely going to sell this and package it in some way, which if you don't remember, go over to my channel and see this video, The Truth About Iman Gadzhi's $2,000 online money making challenge, where he decides to do this live stream workshop talking about how he's going to build a business with you guys. And over the course of like 5 days, he did nothing and just decides to try to charge everyone like $2,000 at the end of it. So that's likely what this is going to be. If you guys don't see, this is only day one, right? And he's already decided to build up the wait sheet, the wait list, right? So let's take a look at this website. Hold on. Let me get out of this frame real quick. Let's go micro, right? Now, 5 days to copy my AI system and start generating income online in 2026. This is going to be an AI income workshop, which I truly hope he has, learned from his prior experience and stopped yapping. But we'll go to see if he has the other dude that's on that even no one wants to see. Day one, the business AI, or the best AI businesses models for 2026. Make money online, audiences invisible. Now, he didn't, I don't believe he covered how much the course or this workshop was going to cost until like day three. So prepare for a lot of long speeches about how rich he is, right? Day two is going to be covering the making AI your super employee. Day three is going to be the simple launch system. Day four, the 57.9 million launch strategy, which, I mean, you're just throwing numbers at this point. And day five, building a business live. Now, hopefully, he actually does something. Because last time he promised that he'd be, I walk you guys through building something live, and he never did anything. So, other than trying to sell you guys the thing, after 10 years and $100 million earned, I'm about to uncover one of the biggest waves in the online world. Get my free ticket and $8.9 million in tracked sales from those who implemented the system last event. Now, this isn't to say that people aren't making money, but this is likely to say that you won't make money. You won't make money. And this is only because I got all the comments from the last video. And if you guys don't remember, this was the famous image of when he decided to announce the cost. And I find this so funny. It's $2,000, but remember who he gears towards, right? This is talking about someone who doesn't make any money. They're trying to learn how to make money online, but it is what it is. Ironic how he always says he starts digital products with zero capital and yet charges $2,000 for monetize. Now, monetize might be something familiar, which, if you don't know, going right back to his workshop, that's what this is host off of, event.monetize.com. But it is what it is. Let's go back to these comments. I watched every live stream and did everything. He's just promoting monetize. I was disappointed. He talks so much and says so little. These are some of the funniest things, because I don't think I could sit there and yap for 5 hours and truly give you no value. There would have to be some level of value. Now, it was at this moment he decided to have the live stream chat. Now, the last one, I believe he learned to moderate, right? But here it goes, like straight up, just people being very upset that he's deciding to charge $2,000. And this isn't to say that he shouldn't charge, right? It's his product. He knows how to best implement it. But the thing specifically for an Iman, right, is if you were to go to his channel, and this is why I critique him the most, right? If you go to his channel and slowly click on videos, remember, this is a man who's worth hundreds of billions of dollars, whatever the number that he decides to give you. He's driving Ferraris. He's flying in private planes. He has all of the understanding, right? It's all on him, right? But if you were to go and look at his channel and take a external perspective and understanding who he's branding towards, it's clearly someone who wants to make money, right? But the ultimate guide to start SMA from scratch. Okay, so therefore that person has nothing. How to start a personal brand. Okay, so this is someone who has nothing. The real day in the life of a multimillionaire. This is that Instagram flex bravado personal brand that you should build up, right? That everyone recommends you rent out at Airbnb and all of this stuff like that, right? But at the end of the day, the funnel is always going to point towards him. He's going to eventually get the money, even if you don't learn. I think he even had like $100 like live event for like monetized VIPs. I'm not sure. But if you decide to sign up for this workshop, make it public. I want to see, right? I am willing to say that I was wrong and he helped you make tens of millions of dollars. I'm truly hoping that I'm wrong. But if I'm not, then this is no different from Make Money Online Challenge 2, Make Money Online Challenge 1, the Digital Renaissance, the Great Escape, all of the ones that he decides to go onto his channel and delete that you can no longer see. But prove me wrong. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do the live stream while he's doing the live. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.